Okay, let's start this makeover. I think you can all see the top really needs to be sanded back and refinished, and that's what I'm planning on doing in the first step of this vintage table rescue. Using 120 grit sandpaper to start and ending with 150, I went ahead and got all of the old finish off of the tabletop. For the top, I'm using Dixie Belle No Pain Gel Stain. This is an oil-based product and wipes on very easily and always creates a beautiful, beautiful finish. The first color was a little too red, so I knocked it back a bit by using the color Walnut, again with the Dixie Belle oil-based No Pain Gel Stain, and it applies nicely right over the other color without any difficulty, and I like to do this with my stains just to get the exact right color that I'm looking for. Now on to the paint. The first coat is Dixie Belle Silk Paint. This paint is a paint and primer and sealer actually all in one. The color is Tide Pool. The next step is adding a wash of a color called Collard Greens, and I do this by lightly misting my brush with water, dipping it into the chalk mineral paint, and painting over the Tide Pool. The last step is adding one more very thin layer of Tide Pool over the wash of Collard Greens. I do this by taking my brush and taking a very small amount of paint. I kind of wipe it off on a towel, and then I, as you can see here, very lightly apply it over the paint. This will allow the Collard Greens color to peek through, and you'll see at the end it's a very pretty finish. The final step on the top is to add a sealer, and this is a wipe-on poly. It's very simple to apply, as you can see here, and now the top will be sealed and protected from future use. What a transformation! And I would like to add that this table cost me $20, and I am thrilled with the result.